Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Here we go, my era. This is what we're all about. What I've got for you today, I've got a proper little gem for you. This is the 1997 Aprilia RS250, and what an example it is as well. It's had a complete ground up resto in 2022. Lovely bike. I've got documentation of all that as well, and we'll have a walk around. I'll show you the photos and the evidence we've got for the ground up build, and then we'll have a start up if I can kind of balance the camera somewhere. So without further ado, let's just have a quick walk around and start up with this bike, because I can't wait just to smell, just the smell alone. So starting at the back of the bike, as always, it's just really nice and clean. Basically the whole bike has been really well looked after. Hold on, we didn't do the mileage, did we? Mileage is, tell you what, let's just look at the clock, 25,042 folks. And like I say, it's a 1997 example. Yeah, so I've got a bit confused because it's a bike I'm reluctant to put up for sale. It's one of them, you know. This is just a proper bike. I love these. I think they're absolutely gorgeous looking. Yeah, anyway, back to the job at hand. Don't get sidetracked, Ian. Do not get sidetracked. Okay, so yeah, pretty much stock example. Just absolutely lovely. We've got some paddock stand bobbins down there. The tyres, front and rear, are in very good condition. We've got a real nice hugger in there. Standard pipes, and as you guys can see, really clean. There's a few marks just there and there on this decal, you know, on this back bit here, but you know, I'm picking fault. Seats in really good condition, tank's really nice as well. The frame's lovely, absolutely lovely. But what a bike, what a stunning looking bit of kit. So I think this is a Mark 1, if memory serves me correct. As we come round to the front of the bike, the nose cone's in good condition, nice. Headlights again, lovely. Front tyre, plenty of life left in that. And as we come down on this side of the bike, again, absolutely stunning. Work of art. Absolute work of art. Chain and sprockets, really good condition there. Yeah. So who else watching this video wanted an RS250? Comment below, give me a thumbs up, whatever. Come on, let us know. Or did you want something else and didn't want the RS250? But that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, like I say, a proper old school this. We've got a photo album. So there's a certain age group out there that won't even know what a photo album is. But here we go, we've got a photo album, and it's all documented, stripping the bike down, rebuilding it. You know, it's very comprehensive, this. I won't go through every photo, but as you can see, it's all the way through, documenting every part of the strip down. So that is just ace. Love that. That is brilliant. So I'm going to attempt a single-handed start up on this bike. I'm going to give it a bit of choke. I'm going to have to get some form of different setup with this camera, because this is making my life difficult. There we go. Look at that. Breathe it in, folks, breathe it in. I'm sure it's no good for my lungs, but God, that smell, absolutely beautiful. as I walk through a big cloud of it. There we go, look at that, all the way down the corridor. So folks, this bike will come with a full MOT and it will go through the workshop prior to coming out for a check over. We can offer nationwide and international delivery on this vehicle. Finance, I'd have to take it on a case by case situation because we're teetering on the edge of of where I might not be able to finance it, but we'll have a go. I'll certainly look at a part exchange if you've got a bike to part X, but this is a lovely bike for any collection without shadow of a doubt. Absolutely. You know, I'd love to take this around Cadwell. So yeah, if you want to know how much this particular vehicle is, there is a description below which contains a price and also a link to our website where you'll find a load of photos in high definition of this particular vehicle, and you can have a bit of a look at that at your leisure. But what a good looking bike that is. So pretty, so pretty. I know I keep going on about it, but it is one of, yeah, it's certainly in my top few bikes that I'd like to have in a collection. Yeah, that's gorgeous, that. So don't forget folks, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate the support and it helps the algorithm of this channel. Fantastic, love it. If you've got any questions on this bike, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrishullmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and have a butcher's at this bike, you're more than welcome. And as always, if you live any more than a mile away folks, give us a call before you set off just to make sure it's in stock and available. But no, that is a beautiful bike. Anyway, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to start waffling. I might even go around the block on that now. The sun is shining, the skies are blue, and who doesn't love a two-stroke? So thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day folks, stay safe, and if you're passing Doncaster, pop in for a brew. Let us know where you've seen us, and yeah, we'll get the brews in. Cheers for watching.